As an employee, if you feel like your manager isn't being an ally, or maybe they're allowing some behaviors to occur that kind of violate some of your team valued principles like fairness, respect, psychological safety, it's okay for you to have that conversation with them. And you can do it by describing the gap between what you expected and what you're actually seeing. Start by stating the facts related to what you observed. You could say something like, hey Ethan, I've noticed a pattern where at the end of a lot of the team meetings, you specifically ask for additional thoughts from most of the men, but not from some of the women. Then you can share your story or your concern by saying something like, I'm just concerned that you might be excluding some of the important members of our team, and it sends the message that we don't value them. Then be sure to end by inviting your manager in by asking for their view. Say something like, can you help me understand how you see that situation?